I remember I've had a coughing fit where I ended up having to sit down or lie down.
Yeah, I've thrown
One
like,
time I
it feels like you're gonna throw up too. Like sometimes I almost like throw up from coughing.
One time I had a coughing fit that was so relentless and I couldn't stop to take a breath that I passed out. I mean, I was leaning forward and I was, and then I just couldn't stop coughing enough to take a breath. And next thing I know, I'm waking up from the floor.
Man, were people around you? I hope people were around you to help you.
Nobody was around me.
Oh my
I
gosh.
had a house full of people and there was nobody around
mom's
me.
mom's dying on the floor there, but
Oh, like, what the heck?